We all know that 71% of the world's surface is covered by water. While this would seem sufficient to cover the Earth's needs, the truth is that most of it is salt water, nearly 2% is frozen, and 0.5% is located in inaccessible aquifers. This means that if all of the water on Earth could be placed in a bucket, the fresh water available in liquid form, that which is consumed by humans on a daily basis, would amount to just a small teaspoon. Although the volume of water on the planet has remained unchanged in the past 30,000 years, the growing population, the levels of pollution, and the impact of climate change have changed. It is estimated that by the year 2030, almost half of the world's population will have serious problems finding water. The water footprint is an indicator of the consumption of this natural resource. It is defined as the volume of fresh water appropriated by a company to produce its goods and services. This calculation is made by classifying the sources of water in three components. The blue water footprint refers to the volume of surface water and groundwater consumed. The green water footprint refers to the volume of rainwater in raw materials, which is trapped as moisture in these materials. The gray water footprint refers to the volume of fresh water that is required to dilute and assimilate the load of pollutants or discharges. This indicator allows us to calculate our own level of water consumption. For example, a dry process cement plant consumes approximately 71 gallons of water for every ton of product, while a wet process plant consumes nearly 212 gallons of water. A dry process concrete plant consumes approximately 38 gallons per cubic meter of product. Most of this is incorporated into the mix, and the remaining 34% is used in washing the mixer. And this is not counting the amount of water that we consume in our offices. The truth is that we are part of an industry that consumes a significant amount of water, and our greatest challenge is precisely to begin to measure, because this is the key to efficient water management practices. In order to prioritize the way we carry out our processes, we have been using the Global Water Tool, which enables us to identify the facilities that are located in areas of water stress, or those regions where water available is less than that required by the industry and the community. In addition, we will develop initiatives for the protection and conservation of water sources, as well as programs for preventive maintenance and to increase the efficiency of our equipment. We will replace technologies and processes with more efficient ways of doing things. We will identify opportunities for capturing rainwater. We will find ways to reuse the water used in the different processes in one same operation, and we will carry out educational campaigns aimed at our staff at all levels and the surrounding communities on the rational use of this resource. We are changing. All of these initiatives will enable us to calculate our consumption, optimize our processes, create value for the company, and generate positive impacts on the communities. In this way, we will achieve one of the goals of our environmental policy: to reduce by 20% the water consumption per ton of product. Argos. Green light.